On Monday night, tornado sirens activated in the northwest part of Douglas County, but there was no tornado. Now, officials are explaining what went wrong with their new system. At the beginning of 2025, the Douglas County Emergency Management Agency started using a new siren technology system. This system will automatically activate sirens in a specific area in the county where winds are 80 miles per hour plus or storms produce hail larger than 2.75 inches. On Monday night, neither of those threats were the case, yet sirens still sounded. The county says the company contracted to program the auto activation system, American Signal, made a programming error caused by a typo when entering data into the system.
Well, it was essentially just, human error on the front end, and it's been repaired, and we're just glad they work. We're glad the automated system works.
There was no tornado threat Monday night, but the area the sirens were activated in northwest Omaha was in a thunderstorm warning activated by the National Weather Service. Douglas County Emergency Management says it's working closely with American Signal to make sure this type of error doesn't happen again.